Hello everyone and welcome to Vim Essentials. In this class I'm going to show you how to get started with the Vim text editor. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the contents of this class are. First and foremost, welcome to the class. I'm truly appreciative of all of the students that enroll in these classes. So hopefully you'll have a great experience here and you'll come away with this fairly short class but with some really solid understanding of how to use the Vim text editor, which is mostly used on Linux systems. It's also available for Windows and Mac, but let's go ahead and look at the course contents and see what we're going to cover in this class. So what hardware and software will you need for this class? First, you'll need a computer or a mobile device to watch the videos, and then you'll need a PC to install software, either Linux, Mac, or Windows, to install the Vim editor, which is a free download, or you can use the browser to access our online lab environment and you won't have to install any software at all, and you can use Vim at our online Destin Learning Lab. So that's what you need. Very minimal requirements for this course. Really, the biggest thing you'll need is just a computer to watch the videos. I will say if you use our lab environment, it is not designed for a mobile device. You really do need to have a larger screen to be able to interact with the Vim editor. So that's what you need for hardware and software for this class. So what background do you need for this class? First, I assume you're a complete beginner with no previous experience. If you have some familiarity with text editors, it will be helpful, but again, I assume you're starting from scratch. So what will we cover in this class? First, there's our introduction, which we're going through right now, and then I'm going to show you how to get the software if you want to install it on a Mac or a PC or a Linux machine. And then we'll start off with just the basic operation, hello world, how to open and create your first files with Vim. And then we're going to look at some basic commands. Following that, we'll look at how to manage text. And then we're going to put all that together with kind of a complete example of how you can string all of these commands together for a full editing experience with Vim. After that, we're going to look at some advanced commands. And then in Section 8, we're going to look at some Vim tips, how to make operations a little bit easier. And then in Section 9, I'm going to show you different scenarios of how you can edit different types of source code, things like HTML files, C# files, how to edit shell scripts, all different kinds of things and scenarios that Vim will be very useful for. And then following that in Section 10, we'll wrap this course up. So not a terribly long course, but it'll be pretty dense. We're going to look at a lot of different aspects of the Vim editor. There's tons of features there. I'll try to concentrate on ones that will be the most useful so that you can get up and going right away. Well, that's it for our introduction. Thank you again, and thank you for your interest in this course. And please leave a review and be specific with your feedback. I really want to make this course as best that it possibly can be. And if you'd like to contact me, you can contact me at sales@destinlearning.com. So let's go ahead and get started.